Coming up in this episode of It's Lift Tour Time, Boris gets burnt! Yay!
It's lift tour time! This time is the Interchange Hospital and now into the tower. We tested Barry Heinsohn OT Series 3 lifts. Let's ride them! First into the freight lift. I was just only progressing to get, but when I finished this tour, the protest.
Basement. Going up. Going down. First floor.
And now to the first main lifts. These lifts go from basement to floor 15.
Basement. Going up. Going down. First floor. Going down.
And now to the next lifts. These lifts go from first floor, 6th floor, and all of the 15th floor, and all of the way up to floor 13. Let's ride there. that what it says in? Here we go down.
First floor.
Just to have a note for you. The tower in Interchange Hospital is just like a comparison of the Guy's Hospital Tower. And now, here's the level 1 of the couch connection. No! The couches are gone! This is horrible! And now to the service lift. Hey, what the hell did the couches went to the basement? It was just this dude to protest. I don't know what the hell is happening over here in the Interchange Hospital. I don't actually know. And now, it's service area explore time. Let's get started. There's nothing behind these doors. I just only have an explores. Behind there, I did know that there was just only used that to be a machine. And now, this is the area where the lifts go. This is the machine of the lifts that goes from basement to floor 50. The lift machine was used to be in floor 60, but is now translated to floor 51. This is the lift machine for the freight lift, for the freight bed lift. It says, danger, inertially suppressed perimeter, lift machine room. Close and lock this door. And this is the machine of the lifts that goes from first floor, 6th floor, 15th floor, and all of the way up to floor 30. And I didn't know what was behind the door. That door used to be on all floors. I don't know what was behind that door. Let's open there. Nothing. Air. Whether this is going to be used a stereo area to have some gravity, not just used to be this crap. I really hate being this crap. It makes it run out of oxygen and you could die. Anyways, now to the next service lifts. But they have mine cabs. This is a creepy. First, let's go to 13th floor. I don't know if these lifts have doors.
30th floor.
Let's have test of the 31st floor bit. That's the voice saying 31st floor. Let's get back inside the lift.
First floor. Going down.
I'm very sad that the couches are gone. This is very disappointing. The couches are being gone forever. Well, in the now passing building, the couches are still inside there. That is very great. Not to be very disappointed. The level 1 of couches is not be clear. And now it's escalator 7 time. First we have the second floor. The couches on floor 1 are gone. And now so level 1 of couches is ruined. And now second level, time to connect couches. If you want to push a big couch, then you must push the button of jump. But there's no rotating. That's the controls if you want to push a big couch. Then if you want to push the little couch, then you have to mash the up button. So, got that? Oh, and when I was with Erica, Zara, and Annabelle, yes, John Bruno, I draw for Gage Williams and Lillian that he has to create a meta-build creator. He'll do it after he comes back home from church, because he was gone to church. And also, he's gonna post it on the Skyscraper Simulator forum. So I'm gonna be very excited. His building is gonna be very exciting. I really want to know. Are the couch connected yet? Yes! Next couches, please. I don't know where is the protest gonna start. The sky's still very night. Oh, the catch.